Hello guys, I have just uploaded a video about the penny stock that I bought and I sold. I got some money from it. I did buy like 1,000 shares, no more than that, because you know penny stocks are very risky, so I don't want to risk that much in this trade. So what are the characteristics, what I'm looking for in penny stocks? Now in penny stocks I'm looking for stocks like the one that I described before in the other video, which is called AAV. Okay, I'm looking for stocks that go slowly up. Okay, they don't have like very long candlestick, very high up and down up. This is volatile. Now when it is volatile, it means a lot of traders come at the same time. Maybe it's promoter asking people to buy it, because when a promoter asks people to buy a stock, a penny stock, what will happen? A lot of beginners, they don't know. They go and buy it directly. Okay? Now when they buy it, a lot of short sellers, they are there. They are just waiting for these people, because these promoters are working with those professional traders and they can make too much money, because the people, you know, they don't know these guys, beginners, they don't know whatever is doing. So someone tell them, oh, this stock is good, so buy it for tomorrow. Okay, they buy it, and then some other professional, they short it. Now how do you see that? You can see in the chart that we have a very long candlestick. Okay, suppose for example a stock was, the day range of a stock was for example 10 cents. Each day it goes 10 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, then it goes down 10 cents, 15 cents. Okay, and then one day it doesn't go 10 cents, it goes 50 cents, 70 cents. It means you see a very long candlestick. Now for me, I am not looking for those volatile stocks, because they are manipulated. And for me, I don't know who is promoting, whatever happens. For me, I'm looking for stocks that go slowly up and up and up. Now I have a signal for my strategy. The stock goes through the resistance line, so I choose it. Now when I get a signal in my strategy, I just buy. Okay, I don't think that much. Okay, I don't think that much, because when an opportunity comes, I should buy in the same day, at the end of the day. Okay, this is the strategy. So I will not leave it for tomorrow after, because maybe it goes up and up and up and I'm losing money. So I should be making the money from the first day I get the stock. Okay, sometimes I make a watch list of this kind of stocks: $4, $3, $6, $7, $8. They are small stocks. Now whenever I find something good, I just wait for the resistance line and I buy it. Now a lot of people like me who are swing traders, they are following the same stocks. That's why they go up slowly, and you know those short sellers, they are not interested at that time to short it. Okay, why? Because there is not that much money. A stock that goes 10 cents, 50 cents. Now for you, 10 cents, 15 cents, you say, oh, this, if I buy 100 shares, I'm getting like 15 cents. I'm getting $15 or less, so it's not worth it. But for me, for other people, they buy 5,000, 10,000 shares. Now 10,000 shares by 10 cents, it's $1,000. Okay, you see the money right now? It means when you buy a lot, but there is a risk. Okay, so you should be comfortable with the risk that they might short the stock and you get to lose the money. Okay, so it depends on what you are doing. What are you looking for? If you are following those kind of scams, manipulate stocks, and you try to play with them, they are professional. Okay, and you are weak. You don't have money. Okay, if you have 1,000, 2,000, you can buy some stock, but believe me, you are weak. If someone is shorting 50 cents, 70 cents, you will be burned, okay? You will lose too much money. But for someone who has too much money, it's not a big deal, okay? Now, this is the characteristic I said, is the stock goes slowly up. You see the green candlesticks, small green thing, going up and up and up and up, and no one knows. Even you, when you are searching for this kind of stocks, you will not find them. Now, why you don't find this kind of stocks? Because you don't know how to search. You don't know, you don't have a solid strategy that makes you make you find this kind of stocks. This kind of stocks are everywhere, but they are hidden from the eyes of the beginners. Now, professional traders, they can spot this kind of stocks very easily. Why? Because they know a lot about trading. They know what they are looking for. Okay? For you, you see a stock that goes 10%, 20% in a day, in a green candlestick, very long candlestick, and you jump and you buy it. Okay? Next day, they short it, this candlestick, and it will be a very long candlestick which is red, and it goes down. So you lose all your money. Okay? So you don't know what you are doing. That's why you have always a problem. So the only thing that you can do is just learn, or find someone to teach you, or something else. It means you should learn in order to trade. When you know how to trade, you can go everywhere. You can go to penny stocks, you can go to stocks, options, futures, forex, you can go commodities, you go wherever you go. Whatever you find, you can trade. Because trading is so simple, but not simplistic. Okay? It is simple trading, but it's not simplistic. It means it needs time, it needs skills, it needs money, and it needs a lot of devotion. You should devote yourself to trading. Either you do swing trading or day trading is not a big problem, but the main thing is to acquire knowledge how to trade, how you maximize your profits and you minimize your loss. Always when you enter a trade, think about the loss. You put stop loss. You say, for example, okay, if the stock goes down here, so I should put stop loss here. I can just lose a little bit, $100, $150. But if I can make the money, I can make $700, $800, $1,000. Okay, this is how do they say you can get 2 by 1 or 3 by 1 or 4 by 1. It means if you do a good trade, and if you have done 2 trades or 3 trades or 4 trades or 5 trades that are a loss, it doesn't matter for you, because still you can make the money. Okay? But the problem is, if you go to a trade and you lose too much, the loss is too much because you don't know how to trade, what will happen to your account? Your account is going down so fast. You can lose 10% from your account, 20%. This is too much from the whole account. Okay? That's why when you want to trade, don't put too much in one trade. Put, for example, 10% of your money, 20% of your money. That's it. Don't put 100% of your money. For example, your account is 2,000. You say, okay, this stock is very good. I like it. Someone told me that it is the best and I can make money. Okay, I put all my money there. Now, next day, they short it. You lose 20% or 30% of your money. How can you trade later? 2 trades, 3 trades like this, and you lose all your account. Okay? So, stay safe, trade well, don't lose that much, and search for the best penny stocks. Thank you very much.